KFET Delta weather.
The wet pattern continues again today. We had the first round of showers develop this morning between 6 and 8 o'clock, pushing through our area. And now as we head into the afternoon, we're watching this next line moving out of Arkansas. By 4 o'clock, it began the push across the Mississippi River. And now as we head over the last couple hours, it's slowly making its way across the Delta. But you can see this system is not moving all that fast off to the east. And as it does, it's producing some good amount of rainfalls, especially south of Highway 82. More just some lighter showers are pushing across the northern portion of the Delta, but we'll continue to focus on some of these storms down across the southern portions of the region. Taking a closer look at this, we can see those heavy and moderate showers moving through as we have the heavy yellows and even some oranges, even a couple of thunderstorms embedded in there across southern Washington County, now making their way through Hollandale area. All this rain is slowly going to make its way in across Humphreys County, Belzona. You're going to be the next up to begin to see the rain here very shortly, along with Yazoo City. The rain will be moving in if it has not already pushed in across your area. Back through Rolling Fork, still getting hit hard with these showers, and back into Issaquah County, along with the southern portion of Washington County. So those areas have probably seen close to a quarter-of-an inch of rain as these systems are kind of slowly moving across your area and dumping a good amount of rain. But the areas to the north, not quite seen as much. And officially today at the Greenville Mid-Delta Regional Airport, we've picked up 0.13 of an inch of rain. But as I mentioned, those areas to the south, probably closer to a quarter of an inch. And this morning's rain brought 0.19 of an inch to Greenwood. Greenwood could maybe pick up another few hundreds and get to that quarter of an inch mark as the showers that are moving your way make their way through as we go through the rest of this evening. The rain is cooling temperatures down slightly, but we're still hanging on to 70 degrees in Greenville, 74 in Greenwood right now. The big picture looks at this. We have that long-standing line of showers extending from the Mississippi River all the way down to the Gulf Coast. The heaviest showers back across Louisiana, now pushing into southern Mississippi. We are starting to see a few more isolated showers fire up back over Arkansas, continuing to all be out ahead of this cold front that will be slowly making its way here. So we can't rule out the possibility for a few more light showers as we go through the evening hours. But I do expect once this main line moves through this evening, things will dry out. As we wake up tomorrow morning, we're looking at another round of some isolated to spotty showers developing out ahead of that front. You're going to notice this front is going to be slow moving throughout the day tomorrow. And so with that, we're going to see a good bit of moisture develop across the Delta as we go throughout the late morning into the afternoon and continuing into the evening hours as well. And that's when the front gets closer to us. We even could see some thunderstorms develop as we're under a general risk for some of those thunderstorms to get to the severe level. Main concerns will be damaging winds and some small, maybe nickel to quarter-sized hail associated with some of those systems. But then as we push through Thursday night into Friday morning, the front will finally move through the Delta, pushing the rain out to the east, and things will begin to dry out as we move into our Friday. And I think we see a good bit of sunshine for most of our day on Friday, and things begin to dry out from all the rain we're expected to get tomorrow. And here's one model's prediction of just how much rainfall we could get over the next 24 hours. You can see going through Thursday, those totals just ramping up as we'll get close to another 2 inches of rain, maybe potentially in Greenville, getting closer to the 2¼ inch of rain in Greenwood, all said and done by tomorrow evening. So we are looking at some very heavy rainfall totals making their way through, which could cause some areas seeing some flash flooding as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Tonight, though, with the clouds and some scattered showers, temperatures only falling into the lower 60s like we have been the past few nights. And then as we go throughout the day tomorrow, very similar to today, but I think we'll see more widespread rain throughout much of the day. But temperatures still getting into the mid-70s and even a few thunderstorms embedded in well. Then by Friday, we dry out. Saturday looking nice as well for Keep Greenville Beautiful. As we head into Sunday, a few more clouds start to develop across the area, but we remain on the dry side now into the lower 80s. We'll keep the 80s for all of next week, but just like we've been seeing, as we move throughout the week, we're looking at some slight chances for some isolated showers. So those April showers are going to be sticking with us at least into next week as well.
Well, that's what we expect. That's what it's supposed to do. At least we just have to deal with it. There's nothing we can do about it.
And hopefully we'll get all those beautiful Mayflowers.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. Took that right out of my mouth. All right, thank you, Eric.